To begin assembly, remove the benches and the support rails from the package. Remove the wrench and the 12 bolts from the support rails. Lift all legs from the table and benches and place them fully upright. Make sure the legs are securely locked in place. Insert the ends of the leg tubes into a pair of holes in a support rail. If the tubes do not match up perfectly with the rail holes, try a different pair. Tighten the table and benches securely to the support rails using all 12 bolts and the wrench. The picnic table is now ready to use. When you need to fold in the table and benches for storage, note that the support rails must be removed first. Do this by removing the 12 bolts that hold the legs to the rails. To fold the legs, press the ends of the leg braces inward to unlock the legs. Then press the legs firmly against the underside of the table and benches for compact storage. Combining durability and convenience, these tables are the perfect long-lasting addition to your facility.